Hey sweet treats, it's the SugarCat, and today we are going to be experimenting with baking polymer clay. So basically I got polymer clay and molded up some things for LPS. I'm going to be showing you guys the non-baked state right now. Firstly, here are 3 ice cream cones. I think I got a little crazy and made 3 colors. So firstly, here is a dark pink one. I think it's really cute, and there's little specks in it which sort of looks like strawberry. Next, I made this lighter pink one. It sort of looks like white in the camera, but it's a nice pastel pink. Tell me what flavor this would be. And thirdly, I made this one. It's sort of minty color, a little bit more blue, and it's the biggest cone. I tried to make them the same size, but I've sort of failed. I also made, are you ready? A little mini houseplant. Okay, but actually, this is really cute. And here's the bottom. Here's the top. And it's just like a little mini houseplant for LPS. Like it could be in a room or like a living room or something. And I think it'll be just really cute. Next, here is a beautiful rose that my friend made. I'm just gonna cook it for her, and I don't know because it's just really cute. And she's really good at making these. So now, why don't we just go ahead to the oven and bake all these? I'm gonna place them all carefully into this pan.
Make sure they don't touch each other.
I am going to set the oven to around 270. I'm gonna carefully slide into the oven. See you later, little critters. Okay, so I just put them in, but I am not too sure how long to cook them for, so I think I'll wait for 5 minutes and check on them. Hey, I found something in the kitchen. A timer sounded, so I expected it was done, so I think this is yours. See ya. Okay, thanks Noah. Okay, so I guess they're done. They cooked for around 20 minutes, so let's just get them here. Okay, so here are the finished products. Oh, go put this on. So here is the light pink cone. It got a little burnt, so I'm sort of sad about that, but it is rock solid. Here's the blue one. And this one got a little burnt too, and it is hard to see on camera, but it sort of looks like glaze. Here is the other pink one. Very nice. Here's the little plant, and it turned out really nice. I will definitely use this in my videos. And here is the rose that my friend made, and it is rock solid. And of course, my sister can use it too on her channel and on our share channel. I mean, not my sister, but Heidi's sister. You know, Rachel. Okay, so now they're finished. I can't possibly eat those ice cream cones by myself, so I'm gonna share it with my friends. But wait, I made a few more, so I'll just go get them. This is what I call my secret stash. So first, I have this little world globe. So it is all blue, but I haven't painted it yet. I might paint it. There's only a few continents, so that's a little weird. But yeah, I think it's good for a history classroom. Then there is this other ice cream cone. It is like cotton candy colored because I mixed up the colors. Lastly, I cooked up this mini strawberry macaron. Actually, it's not mini, it's actually close to the actual size. And it's really, really cute. It's made by my friend, so don't give the credit for me. So now I'm gonna put off my secret stash. Okay, so I am going to share it with my friends. No, that was cringy, okay. Yeah, let's do this. Sammy, Chase, Dylan, I have ice cream cones. Ow! Boy. Did someone say ice cream? Yes, in fact I did. Now, where's Chase? I'll be right back. I forgot to get my collar. Well then, I guess we get first pick. It's so delicious, like, whoa! Thank you! Oh my gosh, we're so cool! Hey guys, I'm back. So, where's my ice cream? Oh no. Dylan, you got a little something on your... Nothing. Okay, here, Chase. Since you're late, you get a... Oh! You get this houseplant. Say what? And I guess that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked these little mini clay figures that we made. I know we definitely do. Yeah, I guess. It tastes great. Bye!